evening. Today is 31st December 2025, the last day of the year, and this ride is going to be the last ride for 2025. I wanted this ride to be a memorable one, so I'm headed out to Vanamma Lake. Let's go. Vanamma Lake is in Tamil Nadu, that is approximately 60 kilometers from Bangalore. It should take easily 2 hours. These two friends are like, wow, I'll give them a thumbs up. Superb. Wow. Whom do you need when you have a good friend? Even if you run out of petrol, you don't need to worry. That is friendship, man. 2025 was a good year with a lot of nice memories and a little bit of challenges like this, like these two lorries in front. Patience is the key, and when our time comes like this, we just cross them over and we keep going and nothing stops us. Let me see if I can touch 100. And I don't know when these fellows overtook us. They were supposed to be behind us. Good. We have to take a diversion here. We have to take a right. And this leads to NH 948, I think. Yeah. Before I go to the lake, I wanted to treat myself, have a wonderful feast. As they say in Kannada, Bale Yele Oota. To eat on a banana leaf is simply wonderful. And there is a restaurant that I saw on Insta. We are going to enter Tamil Nadu now. This checkpost is on Highway 948, National Highway 948. And the first thing that we see once we enter Tamil Nadu is the TVS company. This is the one. This is where they manufacture BMW 310 series and all other TVS vehicles and vehicle parts. This is where they manufacture it. I saw a review on dsquarevlogs about this place. They serve Coimbatore and Erode style of food. I like spicy food, and I trust dsquarevlogs with his reviews. He is honest and unbiased. And it's 3:30 now. I hope it isn't much crowded. Yeah, let me check out this place. It is crowded. Have to wait. When you take water and splash it on the leaf like this and wash the leaf clean and then eat on the leaf, and the feeling is like, as they say in Kannada, Swarga Guru. Superb. We are done with lunch and we are heading to the lake now. Food was good. It was up to my expectations. I didn't want to review the food on this video. I'll make a separate vlog about that. So I want to enjoy the quietness on the road, the silent roads, and I wouldn't talk much now. I'll let you enjoy the ride. Join me. Okay, finally some off-roading. It's 5 p.m. Let me check out the place if it is worthy for. Thank you, bro. Let me check out if a 60-kilometer ride to this place is worth it or not. Thank you. Thank you. There's a tomato farm next to the lake, and the farmer's name is Lingappa. I asked him permission if I can just take a walk around, he said. So these are the tomatoes, and this one is about to be ripened. I think they're not taking care of the plants, they are dying. This is Lingappa.
ಈ ತೋಟ ನಿಮ್ದಾ ಸರ್? ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ, ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
And we are going to do something nice now.
ಕರೀಸಾ.
Yes, Karisa, that's his name. So after feeding Karisa, Karisa means black fellow in Kannada, sweet name. Just take a look at this lake, it's beautiful. The sky is lit up in the setting sun, and there are families all around. This place is couple friendly and family friendly too. Let me enjoy the sunset, listen to the music and enjoy with me. The sun will set in maybe another 2 more minutes. This is the last sunset of 2025. It's 5:50 and the sun is set. Here comes an end to the last day of 2025. The friendly farmers said at times after dark, a few elephants come here at times to drink water. So I didn't want to take chances. And moreover, it was getting dark and I wanted to hit the highway before it is completely dark. So it was a pleasant sunset for me. 2025 ended with a pleasant note, a healthy mindset, quiet and calmness. And now it's time to race back to the city. I didn't touch 100 the entire day, so let me check if I can touch 100. The night is beautiful, the sky is so beautiful. It's a different shade of colors in every corner that we see. This place is called Talli. This is Talli Lake. This place is also called as Little England or the England of India, something like that. I don't know why it is called that way. Maybe the landscapes. We'll have to do a separate vlog covering Talli one day. Finally reached Bangalore. Still another 20 kilometers to go. And right from the morning, I'm unable to touch 100. We'll take one last chance. We'll try to touch 100 now. what's happening here? These two cars are parked like they're gonna kiss each other. Wait a minute. I'll just overtake and go. Goodbye 2025.